Hi. Now let's add some rational numbers together. But I'm just going to use the integers. The fractions will work the same sort of way here. We're going to use the number lines. I'm just going to use the integers to make things a little bit simpler. So let's say we're going to add 2 plus 1, and we're going to use the number line. So direct starting from 0, and he's moving to 2 on the number line. And then he's going to go one more in the positive direction, and he's going to land up at 3. So here you can get like a visual picture of when you're adding and subtracting rational numbers. So let's reset Dirac here, and let's suppose that we're going to have 5. So he goes 5 on the positive direction on the number line, and then let's say we're going to subtract 6. Then we'll go 6 the other direction and land up at negative 1. And then we're going to subtract 3 more, so we'll land up at negative 4 if we go 3 more to the left. And let's say we add on 8. Then we got to go 8 in the positive direction, and we'll land up at 4. And that's your answer. So let's try another problem that's like that, using the number line. So first we have to reset Dirac here. Now let's suppose we're going to do negative 4. Then we got to go to the negative direction on the number line to negative 4. Okay. Then now let's add to it 2. So now we got to go 2 in the positive direction on the number line. And so we're at negative 2 now. Now let's subtract 3, and that'll put us at negative 5. Okay, that's how you can do it using the number line. Now, but let's suppose that we're not going to use the number line. Then we have to follow a few rules here. Let's suppose that we have problems where the signs are the same. Then what we do is we just add them like we normally would, but then put the sign that you use. In the first case, both had negative, so we'll get a negative 10. And in the second one, both are positive, so we'll get a positive 9. Now, if the signs are different, go ahead and subtract the smaller number from the larger number, but put the sign of the larger absolute value. In this case, the absolute value of negative 3 is larger than the absolute value of 2, so we put the negative in front of the 1. In the second problem, that larger absolute value is 8, so we put that sign plus with the 5 as our answer. Now, in this case here, in the second part, we have a negative times a minus 6. That's just a plus 6. So now we got a negative 4 and a plus 6. We can just go ahead and subtract those, put the sign of the larger absolute value. In this case, it's 6. Has a positive, so our answer is positive, a positive 2. This one here, you can think of this as being a negative 3 plus a negative 7. It's just like adding two negative numbers together, so you'll just get a negative 10. All right, thank you.